Okay, so I started my meal prep already. This had my boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I just put that in cream mushroom sauce, and then these are scalloped potatoes. I have my rice and corn here because I'm going to make some fried rice with some turkey kielbasa. The shrimp I'm eating later on for dinner. The eggs is going in the shrimp fried rice. But the shrimp I'm eating later on for dinner, that's the kielbasa that's already cooked, and the other rice that was for the chicken and everything. And here is our breakfast. So I got hash browns, eggs, turkey bacon, and cheese for a nice casserole. So I could just cut it up. And then this is just two meals because I only threw out one pack of turkey thighs, so they only made four. So I just made these two real quick. But it's gonna be a lot when it comes to this over here because I'm only working a 3-day weekend. Well, I have a 4-day work week, so I'm not gonna be bringing that much food. And anything I have left over from the shrimp, I may just go ahead and add it to the rice and do some more stuff. So I'm actually feeling excited of cooking for the week because I know I need because I work in the hospital, so there are days where I may not get to eat in a shift, and then there are times where I do eat on time, but I always make sure that I bring enough food just in case. Because during the daytime, when I get up in the morning, I really don't eat a lot, which is kind of bad. Sometimes I don't eat at all. Like today, which is a very bad habit. I haven't eaten, and I've been up since 11 o'clock this morning, considering that I went to bed at 6 a.m. this morning when I got home from work. Yeah, I had a lot of organizing to do, but still have some leftovers. I actually have the rest of the broccoli just sitting here that I'm going to end up using too, so it's looking good. It's going well. Um, I do have some baked potatoes up top, and I think I might cook these tomorrow, but I'm not really sure what I was going to do with them, but all in all, everything's going to look good.